What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Today we're in Spring Hill, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to check out yet another beautiful farmhouse from Signature Homes. So let me turn you around. I'll tell you all about it. All right, y'all, get a load of this farmhouse right here. Woo, I love it. I've never seen a farmhouse with this dark color palette before, and I can dig it. It's got like this navy blue lap siding with some gray trim, and the shutters, I mean, don't even get me started on those things. They are awesome. Now, this is the Hayes 1A from Signature Homes, and this is actually one of the spec homes, meaning that it's available, it's on the market right now. So that's fun. Inside you are going to find 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It does have a 3-car garage on the back side of the home, and all of this sits inside of 3,135 square feet. It is currently listed for $1,035,000. But with that, let's get inside and see what all we can find. All right, here we go. So this is the view that you're greeted with just as soon as you walk in. And then I will go ahead and turn you around real quick and let you check out this front entryway. Don't get confused by the sold sign. If you like this home, it's still available. The sold is on the inside. The available is on the outside. Anyway, you're going to see a lot of like creams and whites throughout the home, just like your front door right here. You know, this is going to be like that quintessential modern farmhouse kind of color palette running throughout. You do have the set of stairs going up to the 2nd floor. And then we'll go ahead and dive into the living room. So you've got a nice gas fireplace. Kind of a fun gray surround with tile going around the insert. And then let me back you up a little bit. So you do have 2 windows on, or a window on either side of the fireplace. Plenty of room for some decorating. And then this is the view, you know, back into your living room. Kind of nice and cozy feeling. This is actually the 3rd Signature Homes that we've done today. We've actually toured quite a lot of Signature Homes in the past, both here in Tennessee as well as near like Birmingham, Alabama. So always love working with these guys. Super fun, super nice. You've got a little understairs storage, kind of like a fun little door. Anyway, I think there is a playlist of all the Signature Homes. So if you do love this home, you can definitely go check out the playlist and see all their other kind of floor plans that we've toured, which I think are available in most locations. They're always doing select floor plans in different neighborhoods and stuff like that. So you'll have to check like the community sites for that type of stuff. But from there, we will dive into this kitchen space. So you've got your island. It does have a little bit of storage here on the front side. You've got some fun pendant lights. Are these cabinets? Or are they just end caps? Yeah. You've got the trash can drawer, stainless undermount sink, looking back into your dining room and kind of out onto the back patio space. And then you do have cafe appliances throughout. These are the stainless ones. We've been seeing like those white ones and stuff like that. But you've got dishwasher. And then along the back wall, tons of counter space. Cabinets going all the way up to the ceiling. And of course, stainless range. I do like their range hoods. For the most part, they're pretty similar throughout most of the homes. And they just look neat. They've got a lot of character to them, right? And then all the way at the back, you've got your pantry. Just a nice big corner pantry, and it kind of wraps around a little bit. So tons of storage. And then you've got space for a refrigerator. And then next to that, you've got your oven and built-in microwave. And then across the way, you get into the dining room. So tons of room if you wanted to get like a nice longer table. There's room for it. You've got some space for like some built-ins or something like that. Maybe like some type of buffet table or something over here. And then we will step out onto the back covered patio. Now, the cool thing about it is that this door right here actually leads from the front wraparound porch. So you can literally, it might already be unlocked. Yeah. You could be hanging out on the front porch, or you don't want people to come straight through the house because you're just partying out back, right? Well, they can just come through this door and never have to go inside. Or if the kids are playing and they're bouncing back and forth from front yard to backyard, something along those lines, right? But plenty of space back here. Got the nice privacy fence. And there's just plenty of room. Now, oh man, it's been one of them days. Still got another home to do. Anyway, as I was trying to say, while we're walking through this home, do be taking note and let me know what you like, what you might want to change or rearrange if this home was to be yours. Would love to hear about that. And also, make sure you hit that subscribe button. 1, I'd greatly appreciate it. 2, we tour homes all across the country. And while we are in Tennessee today, who knows what tomorrow brings. Fall's coming up, and we have all types of parades that we're going to be going to, from North Carolina to Minnesota to Kansas City, like all the places. And it'll be fun. Good times. Anyway, working back towards the back of the home, this is different because normally we walk into a foyer and it's got the office space right there. But this one's kind of set back to the back of the house, closer to the garage, which is interesting. But you've got like these French doors that open up into the office space. You've got some transom windows, tray ceiling. And then across the way, just going to kind of ping pong back and forth for a minute. This is going to be a coat closet from like as you enter from the garage. And then this is the master bedroom. So it looks like they're going to have some exposed beams. I would imagine that there's going to be some type of covering over the top of these. I'm not sure. I could be wrong. Maybe they're just going to paint them. But plenty of room in here. Nice and spacious. And then from there you enter into the ensuite, which has 2 sinks, a little bit of elbow room, and then on either side, which is nice, you've got like your own kind of medicine cabinets. Then you've got the water closet, a standalone shower with a tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Had to check for a bench. But then you've got the soaking tub, kind of looking out into the backyard. And then around the corner, you have the closet. And this is the laundry room, washer dryer hookups. You've got a wash basin right here. Again, kind of a fun, we've been seeing this color a lot today, just kind of like this sagey green color. And then honestly, plenty of room. There is an outlet right there, so if you wanted to put like a freezer, there's plenty of space for that. Maybe a secondary refrigerator. You know, plenty of room. And then this door right here actually leads into the garage, and I opened it up to see if the lights were on, and I noticed the stairs, and I was like, well, that's different. You know, a lot of garages that we go to have like one or two treads on them, right? You don't have to go real far, but this one's, it was like, it almost felt subterranean, like I'm coming down into a bat cave or something, you know what I mean? But while we're down here, you do have some attic access. You've got the water heater. And then of course you've got the 3 stalls. And that is about all I'm seeing. There is a spigot right here next to the water heater. So you could put some type of wash basin or something if you wanted to. And then from here, we'll go and work our way upstairs. I would have to say, of all the homes that I've toured so far, like I said, there's still one more I have to go and tour. And maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. But there was like this really nice kind of almost craftsman. I think it was like more, they called it like English cottage or something, but super dark, kind of like brick exterior. I was all about that. And the inside kind of had a fun layout too that I was really excited about. This one, I'm excited about just kind of the dark farmhouse exterior. I think that's probably my biggest takeaway so far from this home. But anyway, up here at the top of the stairs, great big open common space. Plenty of room for all the things. And I'll give you a good slow pan so you can kind of envision where you might put things. But you've got some more attic access. And then there might be another bathroom, I'm not sure. There are 3 bedrooms up here though. So I think the base model of the Hayes 1A has 3 bedrooms, and this one was modified to have 4. So you've got the double vanity. You've got a shower and tub. Some nice fun dark tile, I love it. And the tub's nice and deep. Then you've got the toilet. Yeah, so there's going to be another bathroom. So this is the first bedroom up here, second overall. It's got a little crawl space door with the furnace. And then over here you have the closet. Just like a little step in. And then this is the third bedroom. And I know all these step-in closets are going to be the exact same, but it's the principle of it. you know, we open almost everything. We'd probably be here for days and it would be probably more boring than it already is, but if we opened up everything. But I'll still open up closets forever. But this is that second bathroom. And then into this third bedroom, fourth bedroom overall, and this one's basically a mirror image of the one we just popped out of. And then into its closet. All right. Y'all let me know what you think about this home down in the comments. If you want any more information on this home or signature homes, you can find that information right down there in the description. With that, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you go on to have a fantastic day. And as always, my name's Timothy. I look forward to seeing your beautiful face in the next one.